What's up, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia. For those who are new here, for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And for the first two, for those who are watching for the first time, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, watch the video to the end. And guys, today I'm giving you a different content. Not in the streets, so I'm in the village, and this is the view of how the village looks like. Yeah, it's beautiful, it's green. I decided to come and still check on my farm. Yeah, let me take you around. We have some projects going on there. This is how everything looks like here in the village. And I will try also to visit my farm again. Yeah, let's walk around. It's green. This is Africa, Kenya. Wow. Ooh, we have beans around here. These are the beans, guys. Let me show you. These are the beans. Our pumpkin veggies are still doing well. Oh, ay. Guys, make sure you subscribe to this beautiful channel. Road to 5,000 subscribers. Only we are running with around 1,500 or 2,500 subscribers. Sorry, we are at 2,600. And some of you are watching my videos even without subscribing, guys, and it's free. It's free. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Wow, look at the maize, the same height with me. I'm short. Keep on walking with me. Oh, it's in the evening and the sun is setting. Oh, I'm about to fall down. Yeah, guys, our mangoes are doing fine. Look at this. Yeah, our mangoes are doing really good, and I love it. Let's do one. They are not ready actually. They have a sour taste, but it's okay. Apart from that, we have also peppers. Look at this. Wow. Oh, they're nice. Oh. Feeling good, guys. Make sure you have a friend or you have someone who can bring this. If you want me to bring this, let me know there. Oh, this one fell down. It's overripe. It's overripe. But it's alright. I'm still enjoying my mango here. Look at how my farm is green. The maize are doing so well. And I think last time I did not show you on this side. So that's what I'm trying to show you. Oh, they're doing well. Sorry. Another couple here. I think I have to get a stick to remove it so that it so that I can eat it. It's ready. I'm enjoying mangoes here in my farm. I will do it here. This is all we do it here, guys, in Africa. African village life, eh? Yeah. Let's keep on walking as we enjoy our mangoes here in the village. Oh, I know, guys, you can't see. I don't know whether you can see me because I'm wearing green and the maize also green. So yeah, the maize are taller than me. So let's keep on working, guys. My farm is doing good. It's doing great, and I'm happy. Yeah. Everything here is green. I love this village life. And I'm happy, guys. Oh. Make sure you subscribe to this beautiful channel. If you have any questions about, if you have any question about farming, comment down below. It's what I normally do. Look at my maize there, doing really good. My maize, yeah, doing really nice. happy, guys. Yeah. Look at what they are doing. And I'm happy. Make sure you subscribe. Yes, welcome to this beautiful channel. If you come across this YouTube channel, make sure you like and you share with your friends. It's a beautiful channel actually. Can I climb on these what do we call these I'll get some times to climb it. It's where we keep these after my maize have dried up. I've been harvested. The what do you call these this one, after they have been harvested, that's when we transfer them here. That's when we transfer them here, guys. Yeah, this is Claudia Works. Make sure you subscribe to her YouTube channel. So guys, I think I should end my video here. Make sure you subscribe, you comment down below and give it a like. See you in the next video. Bye bye.